Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about group by in SQL. Okay, so I'm not giving you any theoretical class. I will go straight to the examples. Based on the examples, I will explain it. Okay, so how the group by will work in SQL. Okay, I will select one table. I have one table called mm, sales order, sales orders. Okay, I will select that table. So in that table, we have order ID, order date, customer name, then we have customer city and order amount. So I will order it by customer city, order by customer city. Okay, so we have these are the customer city. We have Los Angeles, then we have Melbourne, Paris, and Sydney. So we have four different orders from LA. We have one order from Melbourne. Then we have three different orders from Paris and one from Sydney. Okay, if suppose I want to identify how many, uh, number of orders from each customer city. Okay, and also if we want to identify the minimum order date and the maximum order date, and also if we want to identify the average of order amount. So in that case, what we will do? In that case, we need to use group by. So I will show you an example how to write group by. So for that, the column that we are going to use is the customer city. So based on the customer city, we are identify number of orders and mean date, max date, and the average for each city. Okay, so for that we need to use the customer city from sales orders group by customer city. Okay, so this will return the distinct customer city in this table. See, if we have these are the distinct customers, it like LA, MEL, Paris, and Sydney. Okay, and as I said, if you want to identify a number of orders, in that case, you need to use the count of one number of orders. Okay, and if you want to identify the minimum order date, sorry, minimum order date, order date. Let me select this table. Yeah, order date. This the min is used to identify the minimum value, a minimum value from that table. Okay, so minimum order date. Then if you want to identify the maximum order date, we can use order date max order date. And if you want to find the average, in that case we need to use AVG. That is the keyword for find the average order amount. Okay, this will give the average order amount. Okay, so if you execute this one, you will get all the details. See, so if you run this one, what do you get? We have for LA customer city LA, we have four orders, right? So we have, if you look at this one, we have four different orders from LA and the minimum order date. So here the minimum order date is 10th of May 2023, right? And the maximum order date is 10th of May 2025. So it has for the LA we have four, then minimum and the maximum and the order amount. If you look at the order amount, we have 1000, 20,000, 10 and 3000. You will sum it up, the system will sum it up and divide by 4. So the average amount is 6002.5. So this is the order detail for LA. So if you look at Melbourne, so we have only one order from Melbourne. Okay, and so in that case, the number of order is one. The minimum and maximum order date will be same because we only have one order, and the average amount will be 50. So similarly for Paris, we have three. if you look at the minimum order date, it will be 9th of June 2022, and the maximum order date will be 7th of Feb 2025. And this is similarly, we have three orders. We will sum up all the three order amounts and divided by three. So the average will be around 443.33. So that's how we do. If you want, and also if you want to order, we can use order. If you want to order it by customer city, I will use descending order. So uh, it will return the value in descending order. See, first will come up with Sydney, then Paris, then Melbourne, and Los Angeles. If you remove the descending and if you run, it will order it in the ascending order. So one more thing we need to make sure is we can't use any other columns. Like if I give order ID here, it will throw an error, because whatever column name we are giving in the group by should be can only be provided in the select statement. So if you select this one, it will throw an error. See, this order ID is not allowed here. Okay, and if you give the order ID here, this is you will get it. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't given the comma. If you give the order ID here, it will throw. But yeah, just for an example. Yeah. Similarly, we can't give that or anything in the order by statement as well. If you give the order ID here, it will throw an error. Okay, so this is the basic example how the group by is will work. Okay, you can write some examples and you can try to explore more from your end. Okay, thank you. I will post more simple things for simple. I will post more simple things. Okay, thank you.